Next is Thesaurus. Thesaurus is a tool in MS Word to find the synonym of a word. Synonym means words with the same meaning, different words with the similar meaning, same or similar meaning. So that is Thesaurus. So when you are typing in MS Word, suppose you want a more suitable word in a sentence, you can use this tool. For using the Thesaurus, first thing you have to do, select the word. Select the word in the document, then click on the Review tab. In the proofing group, click Thesaurus button. So this tab is Review tab. In that Review tab, you can see the proofing group. Under the proofing group, you can see the Thesaurus button. Then shortcut key is the Control F7. F7 is for spelling, grammar and spelling check. Control F7 is for Thesaurus. So instead of going to Review tab and moving to Proofing tab and clicking Thesaurus button, you can click keyboard shortcut key Control F7. So that dialog box will open. Now place the mouse pointer on the word you want to use. A down arrow is displayed. Then click on the arrow. Now select the Insert option to replace the existing word with the new word. So this I will show you with a document. Suppose I want to change the word this several. Click on the, which is the tab? Which is the tab? Which tab you want to click? Tab is Review. Tab is Review tab. Home tab, New tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Page layout, Reference, Mailings, Review. So this Review is the tab you have to click. Under the Review tab, you can see the proofing group. This is the proofing group. In the proofing group, you click Thesaurus. This is Thesaurus. Now you can see a small pane. A small window is called a pane. So here you can see several words having the similar meaning. Selected word is several. So you can see here, search for several. Then Thesaurus English United States. Here more than a few, quite a few. Then quite a lot of, a number of, numerous, some, few. All are having the similar meaning of the word several. Then another word I am selecting. So these options. I am selecting this option and going to, here you can type also, directly you can type. So options, if you type options, you can see related words. That is choice, selection, decision, opportunity, preference. All these words are almost having the same meaning, similar meaning. So according to the situation, you can use the exact word or the most suitable word. That is the use of this Thesaurus tab. So you can directly go to Thesaurus tab pressing the Control key and F7 on your keyboard. Control and F7. So that will take you to Thesaurus tab. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, that is how to do Thesaurus. Okay, next is saving a document. That all of you know how to save a document. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just click this save button on the quick access toolbar. Just click the save button on the quick access toolbar. Or shortcut key you can use Control S. Control plus S on your keyboard. Control plus S on your keyboard. You can use. After replying or after saying something, you have to mute your microphone. Okay. Some of you, that is Control S. Then if you want to save a copy, save a copy, just click on the Microsoft Office button. Just click on the Microsoft Office button. Now you can see save as. Save as. This will make a copy of the saved file. Remember, if you are using this at the first time on an unsaved file, if you are using save as on an unsaved file or a newly created file, first time it will have the effect of save. No difference between save and save as. First time whether you give save or save as will be having the same effect. After the first save, if you select save as, a new copy will be created. You can give a new name. Yes. You can give a new name, a new file will be created, old file will be there. What is the use of save as? For example, if you want to make some changes in your document and you want to send that document to some other person, some of your personal details you want to hide, you can delete it. You can delete it from the document and you can click on File, Save As. Now what will happen? The previously saved file will be as it is there. A new file will be missing that deleted paragraph or deleted text. Okay, that is the difference between save and save as. Okay, for using save as, you can use the shortcut key F12 on your keyboard. Musina, okay. So for save as, you can use the shortcut key F12. So that is save and save as. It will be available in the quick access toolbar or you can access using the Microsoft Office button. Now here are the options. Here you can use the save button on the quick access toolbar, or you have to click on the Microsoft Office button and select save. In the save as dialog box, you have to remember where you are saving. So when you click the save button, you will be getting a save as dialog box. In this save as dialog box, on top you can see the place where your file is saved. When I am saving this file, this is in this PC document folder. Okay, you have to remember where you are saving, otherwise you will not be able to open it on a later stage. So then you can example. You want example? Okay, this file I am going to save. Now in the save as dialog box, I am clicking this location, and I am selecting the desktop. Okay, or you can select from the left side in the organization window. You can select. I am selecting the desktop. Okay, now I am giving the file name, page margin options. Now I am clicking save. Okay, now this file is saved on the desktop. Next time when you open, you just click Microsoft Office button, then select open, then open dialog box will be displayed. Here sometimes desktop will not be displayed, sometimes some other folder will be displaying, sometimes documents will be displaying. That time you have to remember where you saved your file. Now I remember it is in desktop, so I is clicking on the desktop. Now I can see the file name, page margin option, click it and open. Now is it clear? Okay. Okay, this is all mentioning in your chapter 2 MS Word. Now just you can go through some exercise though to check your knowledge. Okay, are you ready? Okay, first is true or false. MS Word is a word processing software. True or false? Yes, MS Word is a word processing software. Then second one, the selected text will be highlighted in red. Selected text is highlighted in bluish color. Now you can see selected text is showing a bluish color. Okay, highlighted or reverse video. So that is wrong. Then third one, the cut command deletes the selected text from its original position. Yes, cut will remove from the original position. The next one, the red wavy line indicates a spelling mistake. Yes, yes. Okay. Then we can find the save button on the quick access toolbar. We can find the save button on the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. Can you save the save button here?
No, sir.
What is the first button?
No, sir.
It is the first button. This is the save button. You can't see that?
Yes, sir.
So that,
Not save.
okay, that save button is there. We can find the save button on the quick access toolbar. That is correct. Okay. Then next activity is fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, the command used to save an existing file with a new name. The command used to save file, save as, file is save as, only text is copy. Okay. So this is save as. The next one, the dash command creates a duplicate of the selected text. Copy, okay. Copy command makes the duplicate of the selected text. Copy is the answer, okay. Copy. Then third one, dash option help you find synonyms for synonyms. Help you to find synonym. Thesaurus. One of you told the correct answers. Thesaurus is the tool or the option to find the synonym. Synonym means similar word having the same meaning. The next one, dash displays the document name followed by the program name. Title bar. On the title bar you can see the program name and file name. Okay. So title bar. Okay, title bar. Okay, now we can move to the next exercise. Take the correct answers. So what type of mistakes are indicated by red wavy line? Spelling, grammar, none of these. Spelling. Okay, spelling. Okay, good. The next one, what type of mistakes are indicated by green wavy lines? Okay, good. Grammar. Then third one, which of the following shortcut keys can you use to copy text? Control plus C. Okay, Control plus C. Then what is this Control plus V? Control plus V. What is this Control plus V? What is this Control plus V? Control plus V is paste. Okay, then what is this Control plus A? What is Control plus A? Select all. Okay, good. Select all. So these shortcut keys are frequently used shortcut keys. So you have to remember it. Okay, in MS Word. Then next one, fourth one. Which of the following shortcut keys can you use to paste text? Control plus V. So that is used for pasting. Control plus V. Okay, now I think all of you are familiar with these options.